Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at these Air Lift LoadLifter 5000 Ultimate Helper Springs. These springs are going to combine the adjustability of air springs with the reliability of an internal jounce style spring. So these will do a great job to help reduce the strain on your rear suspension. They're going to help increase your safety and compensate for your uneven loads. Now the springs themselves are designed for heavy-duty applications such as your 3/4 ton and 1 ton pickup trucks, motorhomes, and commercial trucks. But the brackets are designed specifically for your 2022 and newer Toyota Tundra. So having those specific brackets is going to make the installation much easier for you. You're also going to get all the hardware needed to get these mounted in place, as well as very detailed instructions to walk you through that process to make sure it's all going to be installed properly. So these are going to provide a load leveling capacity of 5,000 pounds. Now when you hear that, it's very tempting to think that means it's going to increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity by 5,000 pounds, and that's not the case. These aren't going to increase your weight carrying capacity. So think of them less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of them more like a back brace. So they're there to help your suspension system, taking some of that strain off of it so it can do its job better and for a longer time. So these are going to do a really good job of improving your braking and steering performance by leveling your vehicle front to back. So you're going to get a lot of benefits from that. Not only your improved steering and braking, you're also going to help to maintain a safe headlight aim and help your tires wear more evenly. If you weren't to have these, oftentimes your vehicle can squat on the rear end, which puts a lot of strain on your rear suspension and that sort of thing when you are hauling heavy loads. And then not only are they going to allow you to level your vehicle front to back, but they are also able to be adjusted independently, so you can do more side-to-side leveling. So if you have an off-center load like a heavy water tank on one side of your truck or a toolbox or something like that, you can add more air to that side, so you're getting more support, and then the other side is still going to be more free. So it gives you a lot of adjustability there for your off-center loads. These are a quality construction for a nice long-lasting spring life. These springs do have a 2-ply fabric reinforced rubber, so they are going to be very durable. They do have Air Lift's exclusive upper and lower roll plates that protect the air springs from damage to help extend the life of the suspension system. They also have high-strength Zettel nylon end caps that are lighter, stronger, and more corrosion resistant than steel. You can't really see those with the brackets installed here, but they are there to help with that overall durability. On the inside, another component that you can't really see is the internal closed cell urethane jounce spring. So that is in there to act as an overload spring that's going to help engage when the air pressure of your air spring isn't sufficient for the load that you're carrying. So it's going to help better absorb your road shock and minimize your bottoming out. Because it's got that closed cell urethane construction, it is going to provide support progressively. So the more you load the springs, the stiffer they're going to become. So they're going to have a nice light engagement for light loads. And then if you have a really heavy load, they'll become very stiff for you. They are going to engage more smoothly than rubber jounce springs. So it's going to give you a nice smooth engagement. And because those are in there, it will allow you to temporarily carry a load with zero air pressure in your springs. So if you were to have a leak or something were to go wrong, rather than bottoming out, you're still going to have that spring inside there. And those are really nice because you're not going to have to do anything to maintain them, and they're going to work really well in hot or cold temperatures. As I said, the installation instructions are included, as well as all the hardware that you're going to need, including your air lines that you'll typically run to the back of your truck, where it's going to be nice and convenient for you to access those, and then you'll run them to each one individually so that you can have that side-to-side adjustability. But these are made here in the USA, so you can trust they are made to the high quality standards we've come to know and trust for products made here in the US, and they also come with a lifetime warranty. So if you were to have any issues with them, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. But overall, I think these are going to be a really great option for those of you who want to have that adjustability of those air springs so that you can air them up one side more than the other, have more support when you have heavier loads and that sort of thing. But you want that backup of having that internal jounce spring just in case you were to have an extra heavy load, you forget to air up the airbag or something like that, you'll still have that backup in there to give you extra support. So that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.